Are you still managing your school with registers and Excel sheets? What if I show you a free system that automates everything in minutes? Hi, I am Mohammad Rashid and I created School Orbit, a complete school management system designed for schools like yours. In this video, I will guide you a quick demo of how you can manage your entire school from students to fees all in one place. Let's be honest, managing student records, collecting fees, tracking attendance, it's time consuming and full of errors. And hiring extra staff just increases your cost. That's exactly why I built this system. With the School Orbit, you can manage all student records in one dashboard, automatically track and collect fees, control access with roles, admin, teacher, staff, etc. Give parents real-time updates through a parent portal. Everything is simple, fast, and digital. Let me show you how it works. This is your dashboard where you can see all key states. Here you can add and manage students. This section handles fee collection automatically. We are already helping schools simplify their operations and save hours of manual work every day. If you are a school owner or principal and want to digitize your school, try School Orbit today. Link is in the description. And don't forget, like this video, comment if you want free setup guide. Stop managing your school the old way. Start running it smartly with the School Orbit. See you in the next video.